Everyone knows the album that pushed this band into the spotlight. In 1981, the Psychedelic Furs broke through with Talk, Talk, Talk.
Give me all your paper, Mom. Give me all your cars. Give me something that I need, something I can have. Mrs. I just want to sleep with you.
It had a sharper sound, more confidence. It was a band stepping forward. But 1 year earlier, they released their debut, the Psychedelic Furs. It was raw, gritty, and unpolished.
Sister of mine. Oh my God. I'm in love with capitalists. I'm in love with your good cause. Flowers all around his feet. There's flowers in his heart. If you
You'll hear the urgency right away. This album shows who they were before refinement set in. If you only know the breakout tracks, go back to the first record. The debut hits harder than you expect. Follow for more 80s bands and forgotten first albums.